You are watching Islamabdad Today. Today's global headlines: global heat waves break temperature records across Europe and Asia. Major tech companies announce new AI regulation frameworks at global summit. Tensions rise in South China Sea amid increased naval activity. Oil prices surge after supply disruption in the Middle East. Protests erupt in major U.S. cities over data privacy legislation. India successfully launches lunar rover for second moon mission. UN convenes emergency session on global food insecurity crisis. FIFA announces host cities for upcoming World Cup 2030. Cyber attack hits financial institutions across multiple European countries. Massive wildfire continues to spread in California. Thousands evacuated. Global stock markets fluctuate after unexpected economic data release. Jew issues warning on new COVID variant detected in multiple regions. SpaceX prepares for next crewed mission to Mars training orbit. French farmers stage large-scale protest over agricultural policies. African Union outlines continent-wide digital infrastructure roadmap. Stay with us for more updates. Thanks.